Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the morning on the C70. Man, this thing needs a wiper delete. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm going to start off by trying to fix the hood release. Then I'm going to check the blend door for the passenger side. Got a pretty nice jerry rig, but I took this rig out of a car down there, so hopefully this is the same one, same size, it'll work. Let's check it out. Snap that piece up there. This did snap in place. I hope it's good to go. About to close the hood and find out. I'm not going to latch the hood. I'm just going to lower it. Find out if this works. And it appears to work. So I'm going to replace this tube with one I got from the salvage yard. Also got a bottle for this thing because this thing is so dirty. So I may replace that later today, first thing in the morning. Got that replaced with one we got from the salvage yard, and I almost forgot. Some special needs safety inspector didn't know how to secure the battery in the battery compartment, so they rigged up some Chevy battery hold down. I got a replacement one out of the salvage yard. I think I'm going to go ahead and replace that here right now so that she can have the property battery hold down. It was just too much for them to figure out, I guess. Even though they added something under this battery tray, it appears that it's secure, so I was able to install the proper clip. Battery is secure. So let me go inside and check out these headrests. Sun visors. These things have a common problem with sun visors breaking. Man, those things just won't park right. Broken passenger side sun visor, not sure how that happened. The wires are up there. But I'm going to remove these two screws on this side, remove the two screws on that side, and install two gray ones. Won't match the interior exactly, but better than having one totally broken missing. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.